Here's some questions that came in via email at gardentalkradio@gmail.com. If you're not the phone type of person, my seals, my seals were not sealed 12 hours after I canned, but when I touched the tops of the jars in which I canned, they pinged closed. Is that considered a safe seal?
No, it's not a safe seal. When you have to basically force a seal, it's not a safe seal. It's not a true seal, even if it pings. So when you push on it like that, so what you want to do is you want to just the next day go ahead and reprocess it. You would just put a new lid on and then reprocess it. You would put it into the canner at room temperature as opposed to starting in boiling water. And then once the water is boiling in the canner, you would start your timer.
So, if it well, first of all, you shouldn't touch the what is it? You shouldn't touch the lids at all until the jar is completely cooled, typically 24 hours, and then
Like 8 hours.
8
is
hours.
fine.
Okay.
But yeah, you want to make sure that you're not touching the lid.